Hello, children. Today we will start our new chapter 12, the solar system. In this chapter, we will learn about the solar system, about the different planets, and many more. So, you know that there are 8 planets in the solar system, and every planet revolves around a sun in its orbit. You know that sun always remain there at the center of the solar system, and that's why all the planets revolve around it. Okay, now what are planets? The question came, what are planets? So the planets are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun, and they do not have any light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. You know that the sun gives the heat and light to all the planets, so these planets reflect the light of the sun because these planets do not have their own heat and light. Okay, so now we will learn one by one about the different members of the solar system, and before that let's learn what is solar system. So the sun, the 8 planets and their moons along with the other heavenly objects, they form the solar system. The 8 planets are in the order of increasing distance from the sun. That is the Mercury, the Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, now the Pluto was the ninth planet of the solar system, but now it is considered as a dwarf planet. On August 24, 2006, International Astronomical Union redefined the planets and they considered the Pluto as a dwarf planet. The other dwarf planets are Ceres, Eris, etc. Dwarf planets also revolve around the sun in their fixed orbits, but they are so small that they do not come under the category of the 8 planets which are there in the solar system. So now let us read about the sun and the different planets. So the sun is actually the hot ball of glowing, burning gases that gives us heat and light. And as it is in the center of our solar system, so all the planets revolve around it. And it is the star which is nearest to the earth. This is actually a star which is nearest to the earth. Okay. Now the next is Mercury. It is the planet which is closest to the sun. That means it is the first planet of the solar system which is nearest to the sun, as well as it is the smallest planet of the solar system. And as it is near to the sun, it is very hot also. Okay. Now next to it is Venus. This Venus is actually the hottest planet in the solar system, and we can see it in the night sky also. It is so bright star in the early morning and in the evening, and that's why it is also called morning star or evening star. Now a question came in the mind that why it is the hottest planet, because so many volcanoes erupted on the Venus. Now our next planet is our Earth. Okay, this is the only planet where the life exists, and you know we also live here, and it is also known as blue planet because 70% part of the earth's surface is covered with water. That's why it is known as blue planet. Now the next planet is Mars. Mars is the planet which is also known as the red planet because of its brownish, reddish brown appearance. And why it is reddish brown in color? Because of red rusty dust on its surface. Now the next planet is Jupiter. This Jupiter is actually the largest and the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. ये अपने स्पिन पे, अपने रिंग पे बहुत फास्ट स्पिन करता है, एंड इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट ऑल्सो. नाउ देयर आर 3 rings, okay, 3 thin rings of dust and circle the Jupiter. मीन्स जुपिटर के चारों तरफ ये 3 thin rings होती है डस्ट की, जो बनी हुई होती है. ओके, after Jupiter, there is a planet that is Saturn. Saturn is surrounded by several shiny rings. You can easily see in the picture also. There are so many shining rings around it, and these rings are basically made up of ice, rocks, and dust. So the rings which are there, which are surrounding the Saturn, are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. Now the seventh planet is Uranus. It is the first planet which was discovered by using a telescope. Means this planet was discovered from the land itself by using a telescope, and it is the only planet that spins on its side. जो ये घूमता है ना, तो ये अपनी खुद की साइड पे ही घूमता है. The spinning motion is different from the other planets. Okay. Now the last planet, that is the 8th planet, is Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the sun. That means the distance of the Neptune from the sun is too much, and it looks blue in color. You can see very pleasant blue is there, and cold winds blow very fast on the Neptune. बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड विंड्स यहाँ पर ब्लो करती है. सो इट इज़ द कोल्डेस्ट प्लैनेट ऑल्सो. Fine. So students, the planets are divided into 2 types, that is the inner planets and the outer planets. There are 4 inner planets which are made up of rocks, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are 4 inner planets and are made up of rocks. Whereas there are 4 outer planets also, that is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and these outer planets are made up of gases. As well as all these outer planets have rings also. You have already seen in the video, I have given the pictures also, that these 4 planets have the rings. In Jupiter and Neptune we will not be able to see the rings, but some rings were there on them. So that's all for the day, students. Have a nice day.